What's up, everybody? Nathanael Morton here with NathanaelMorton.com, helping you get bigger, stronger, faster, and more explosive. Before I start this video, I want to let you know that if you comment JUMP down below in the comment section, JUMP, and like this video, I will send you a free bodyweight vertical jump training program, absolutely free, if you comment JUMP and like the video. So, the topic of today's video is why I do push-ups and pull-ups every single day. Now, I'm going to talk about why I started to do push-ups and pull-ups every day. I'm going to talk about why I continue to do push-ups and pull-ups every day. I'm going to talk to you about how many push-ups and pull-ups I do every day. And then I'm going to talk to you about why you should care and whether or not you should do push-ups and pull-ups every single day. So here we go. The story is simple about why I started to do push-ups every single day. I'll just cut to the chase. I made a bet with my buddy on New Year's Eve. We were drunk, okay? We were drinking alcohol, we were celebrating, and he said, I bet you cannot do 50 push-ups in a row. And I said, 50 push-ups? That is extremely easy. I can do 50 in a row. He said, I don't believe you. I said, watch me. I did 50 push-ups exactly, and then I failed. So I won the bet. However, if he would have said 51 push-ups, I would not have been able to get 51 push-ups. And we're talking about good push-ups. All the way down, touch your chest, good form, perfect form push-ups. I got 50. So I won the bet, but in my head, I had always believed that I could easily do 100 push-ups in a row. But this was the only time that I actually tried to go to failure on push-ups in a long time. So I failed at 50 push-ups, and I thought to myself, that's a little bit pathetic for me. That's just, if you can't do 50 push-ups, I'm not calling you pathetic. Just for me, I always thought I could do more. So I said, that's a little bit pathetic. I want to increase that number. So on New Year's, I made that basically my New Year's resolution. I don't really like resolutions. I like goals that you're going to stay committed to and actually achieve, things that you care about, not something that you make a resolution about for a week and then you quit and forget about it until next New Year's when you're like, crap, remember what I said last New Year's? Anyways. That is why I started doing push-ups, because I could only get 50, so I set a goal this year that I want to be able to do 100 push-ups in a row. Also, I want to throw pull-ups in there, and I want to be able to do 25 in a row. Currently, I can now do about 60 push-ups in a row. It's only been a month, okay? I can do 60 push-ups in a row, and I can do 21 pull-ups in a row. So I'm probably gonna have to push that number of pull-ups higher, maybe go for 30 in a row. So that is why I started doing push-ups and pull-ups every single day. Now, why I continue to do push-ups and pull-ups every day is threefold, meaning there's three reasons, okay? Number one, because obviously I want to achieve the goals that I set. Sometimes you set goals and you realize you don't actually care about those goals. You don't actually want those goals. If you realize that you don't actually want those goals, you should discard them immediately. Don't continue to go after something that you don't care about. However, I do care about this. I want to follow through on my commitment. I want to be able to do 100 push-ups and 30 pull-ups. Okay, I'm changing it right now. Right now in this video, no longer is my goal 25, it's 30. So I want to achieve my goals. Number two, I found that by doing the number of sets and reps of pull-ups that I do every day, it is mentally, it builds my mental discipline to do these push-ups and pull-ups every day. Sometimes I don't want to do my push-ups and pull-ups every day, which is a beautiful thing because then you force yourself to do it and you build your mindset. So that's the second reason. The third reason, which I was actually surprised about, is because I have been building muscle more than I ever have before by doing these push-ups and pull-ups. Okay, I am currently on a lean bulk, which means I'm in a caloric surplus. Spiking my protein synthesis every 2 hours with branched chain amino acids and with food. I am lifting the same way that I've always lifted. I am bulking the same way that I've always bulked. I'm eating the same way that I've always eaten. The only different factor is that I am now doing push-ups and pull-ups every single day. And I am building more muscle than I ever have before. I can tell in my arms that my arms are bigger than they ever have been before. Now, keep in mind, I have never had good arms or good legs. I have skinny guy leg genetics. I have skinny arm guy genetics. So my arms, like, they're not huge, okay? They're not super small, but they're bigger than they ever have been before. So I am building muscle. I'm in a caloric surplus, eating 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight at least every single day, spiking my protein synthesis every 2 hours every single day, eating the same way, healthy, nutritious foods every day, but I'm doing my push-ups and pull-ups in addition to my normal workouts. I still do all my normal workouts, I just add in push-ups and pull-ups every single day. That's why I continue to do it. Number 1, I want to achieve my goals. Number 2, I want the mental discipline. When I don't feel like doing it, I look in the mirror, I say, haha, you have to, okay? Because you want that mental discipline. Do what you say you're gonna do. And number 3, because I've noticed that I've been building muscle. Now, how many push-ups and pull-ups do I do each day? I actually alternate days. There's 1 day a week where I do not do any push-ups. I think that you should have 1 day a week where it's an active recovery day. It's basically a rest day. You don't do any lifting. You don't do any hardcore cardio. You just do moderate to low intensity cardio. What I do is I get on an exercise bike. I stay on the exercise bike pedaling for an hour as I drink chocolate milk, my little treat. And it gets me proteins. So the key to this is that when you're biking very slowly or walking very slowly, you get your heart rate beating just a little slow or a little bit, and you are replenishing your muscles while your blood is flowing with proteins, with carbohydrates, with sugars. You are replenishing your glycogen. That's why, and I like chocolate milk. You can do Gatorade, you can do recovery drinks, you can do everything like that. But that's the 1 day a week where I do not do push-ups and pull-ups. However, on the other days of the week, I alternate. On day 1, let's say Monday. Monday, I do 6 sets of half of my max for pull-ups. So my max for pull-ups, I can right now do 21 pull-ups in a row. So half of that is 10 and a half, but I bumped that to 11. So I do 6 sets of 11 pull-ups on Monday, and then half of my max for push-ups, which is 6 sets of 30 push-ups, because I can do 60 push-ups, that's my max. So 6 sets of 11 pull-ups, 6 sets of 30 push-ups. That is on Monday, that is on Wednesday, that is on Friday, that is on Sunday, okay? 4 days. Actually, let's take out Sunday just for the sake of this video. That'll be my rest day for the sake of this video. Sunday is an active recovery day, so I do not do my push-ups and pull-ups on Sundays. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 sets of 11 pull-ups, 6 sets of 30 push-ups. On Tuesday, on Thursday, on Saturday, I do 3 sets to failure. 3 sets of pull-ups to failure, 3 sets of push-ups to failure. Each time I go to failure, I try to beat my last personal record. So I'm trying to beat 60 push-ups. I'm trying to beat 21 pull-ups. So that is the routine that I do. So we've gone through why I started doing push-ups and pull-ups every day. We've gone through why I continue to do push-ups and pull-ups every day. We've gone through how many sets and reps I do every single day. Now, should you do push-ups and pull-ups every day? I think everybody should, okay? I literally think that if you're an athlete and you're serious about getting bigger, faster, stronger, more explosive, I think you should do push-ups and pull-ups every single day. You can rest 1 day for your active recovery. I think that you should. So you should do it to build muscle, you should do it to build discipline, and you should do it for overall fitness, overall strength, overall muscular endurance, muscular strength, everything good that comes with doing push-ups and pull-ups every single day, okay? You get stronger. You're an athlete, you wanna be stronger, do push-ups and pull-ups every day. You can add in sit-ups, you can add in all these things. I do all those with my workouts on the side. So yes, I think everyone should do them, okay? How many should you do? you should do half of your max. So if your max push-ups is only 10, then on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you should do 6 sets of 5 push-ups. On Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, you should be trying to get a new personal record. You should be going to failure. So for pull-ups, half of your max, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you can only do 2 pull-ups, then on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, do 6 sets of 1. Okay, if you can do 100 push-ups, then Monday, Wednesday, Friday, do 6 sets of 50. Okay, so the point is to, number 1, build your discipline. Do your push-ups and pull-ups every single day. Number 2, build your strength and your muscular endurance every single day. And number 3, it will literally help you achieve your goals as an athlete. Okay, so the choice is yours. Do you do push-ups and pull-ups every day or not? It's up to you. This was Nathanael Morton with why I do push-ups and pull-ups every day. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Share this if you think somebody else can get value from the content. Like this video, comment, jump down below. I will send you a free bodyweight vertical jump training program. And ladies and gentlemen, take action, because action is everything. Knowledge is not power. It is only potential power until you take action on what you know. And action is literally everything. If you take small little tiny actions, you can expect small little tiny results. If you take a lot of action, if you take massive action, if you take new action that forces you to be uncomfortable and go outside of the box and do things that you have never done before, then you can expect massive results. I'll see you guys in the next video.